dancing on the place. You set my heart on fire.
So why bother?
Are you seriously? I'll rip your eyeballs out, you little rat! I mean it! Get over here!
You're in my way.
What?
Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend.
Sungil, are you listening to me? Everything you do is for Pyeongchang. That's where your focus needs to be. Sungil!
I'm on tonight, you know my hips don't lie, and I'm starting to feel it's right. All the attraction, the tension. Don't you see, baby, this is perfection.
Hey girl, I can see your...
My name is Yuri Plisetsky. My goal is to be named the top skater in the world in my first senior season. I'm the unbeatable Ice Tiger of Russia.
Show me again, the White Tiger King.
Today's final skater is the one with the most momentum going into this competition. Jean-Jacques Leroy of Canada, age 19, also known as JJ.
Hey, it's Yurio!
You want to take my little sister? You better be ready to go through me!
Don't worry. We will always be together. I've defeated every man who's tried to take Sarah from my side. She and I will be together forever, supporting each other on and off the ice. No one could love her more than I do. As your older brother and a man, it is my duty to protect you. Unlike physical love, the love of a brother is unconditional. I will always be there for you.
Guys, this is bullshit. It makes me sick.
Oh, Yuri!
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot about your dead back.
Hey, baby. Come here. I want to hug you. I peed myself.
There's way too much sex appeal. That's it, you three. Get to bed. Keep me
Hey, Nikki, let's see who beats that. Nikki!
Next up is Mikhail Crispino of Italy.
Oh, Nikki, you're so fine, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Nikki. Hey, Nikki. Oh, Nikki, you're so fine.
You call her a stripper, that's my ballerina.
Oh, God.
See, that's your stage, but it's my arena.
She mine.
That's not a stripper, that's my ballerina. Oh, Lord. Let me see you dance for me. Dance, dance, dance. Do a handstand for me. Dance, dance, dance.
Guess who's back? 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 Guess who's back?
Finally!
Are you kidding me here? Why can't they just show the damn thing on live TV? There we go.
I'm boring, so I'm taking my time on my
Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Guys, it's my new girlfriend.
Skate well! Ganba!
I don't fuck with you. You little stupid ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you. You little dumb ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ladies first, please.
Hey, Yuri. I'm sorry to call during an event, but Maka got into the steam buns and one of them got stuck in his throat. Anyway, we're at the vet right now. But they're not sure he's going to make it.
Never really knew that she could dance like this. She make a man wanna speak Spanish. Como se llama?